Hello and welcome to the 296th edition of the Shulini TV News Bulletin. I'm Jia, and as always, we bring you the most inspiring highlights and achievements from our vibrant campus. Let's take a look at this week's top headlines. Shulini University's Biotechnology and Bioengineering ranks second at North Zone Swayam Neptal SPOC workshop. Shulini University files 1,879 intellectual properties across domains in 2025. Faculty of Legal Sciences students join 4-week Yukti internship program. Faculty and staff participate in Lodi celebrations at Shulini University. Shulini University of Biotechnology and Management Science has secured a national top 3 position in the discipline category of biotechnology and bioengineering under the Swayam Neptal local chapter for the July to December 2025 cycle, marking a major academic milestone for the institution.
Shulini University secured the second rank at the North Zone Swayam Neptal SPOC Felicitation and Stars Interaction Workshop held at IIT Kanpur. At the North Zone, Swayam Neptal SPOC Felicitation and Stars Interaction Workshop organized at IIT Kanpur, Shulini University was ranked second nationally in the discipline category of Biotechnology and Bioengineering for the July to December 2025 cycle. The university secured its position behind Banaras Hindu University, which ranked first, and ahead of Shastra deemed to be university, which stood third. The ranking reflected consistent learner engagement, strong certification outcomes, and high attendance across NEPTAL programs offered on campus. Shulini University was represented at the event by Mr. Manish and Mr. Nishant from the learning team who were facilitated for the role in their coordinating and strengthening the Swayam Neptal ecosystem at the university. The achievement was the result of coordinated efforts by the learning team, faculty coordinators, and academic departments, along with logistical support from the transport office, which enabled large-scale student participation in NEPTAL examination. The achievement marked a proud moment for Shulini University and highlighted the collective efforts of its academic and administrative teams in strengthening digital learning initiatives.
Along with the closure of 2025, Shulini University is reporting strong growth in intellectual property filings across patents, design, copyrights, and trademarks, highlighting sustained research activity across academic disciplines. Here's more on this.
Shulini University recorded a total of 1879 intellectual property filling across the multiple IP sectors within 199 applications successful, granted or registered. According to the data released at the end of 2025, Shulini University filed 1879 intellectual properties across the utility patent, designs, copyright and trademarks. The data showed that 1154 utility patent filed, of which 927 were published and 160 were granted. In the design category, 499 applications were filed with 300 designs registered. The university also filed 209 copyrights and 127 registered, while 17 trademarks filed and 12 were registered. School-wise, the contribution reflected the participation across the disciplines. The School of Biology led to 58 filing, followed by Engineering with 30 and Agriculture with 29. Pharmacy recorded 2-3 fillings, Chemistry 21, Physics 17, Biotechnology 16 and Bioengineering 15. Other contributions include Computer Science Engineering Management. The Center of Nanotechnology Law, Journalism and SILB along with the students led to an interdisciplinary initiative. Looking ahead to 2026, the university set a target of 300 IP application, encouraged the faculty members and researchers to ensure the timely submission of innovation disclosure form, while continuing to support the interdisciplinary and external research collaboration. Over to you, Jia.
This was some insightful information. 16 students from the Faculty of Legal Sciences at Shulini University are participating in a national internship and training program titled Yukti. aimed at strengthening practical legal exposure and industry engagement. Let's hear more on this.
16 students from the Faculty of Legal Sciences, Shulini, were selected for the inaugural edition of Yukti, a national internship cum training program launched by the General Counsel Association of India. Yukti, a 4-week national internship and training program, brought together law students from across the country to strengthen practical legal exposure beyond classroom learning. The program offers structured engagement with law policy, governance, and emerging technologies, along with industry specific exposure in sectors such as automobile and aviation. Participant receives hands-on training in contract drafting, compliance framework, and risk assessment supported by mentorship from general counsel and senior in-house legal professionals. The program also included guided visits to industry and constitutional institutions, including the Parliament and Supreme Court of India. The inaugural sessions were held at Dr. Ambedkar International Center in New Delhi, attended by the Minister of State for Corporate Affairs and Road Transport and Highways and the Minister of Law and Justice. The Yukti internship and training program will conclude on 30th January with a convocation ceremony, marking the completion of 4-week national initiative.
Finally, Shulini University celebrated the Festival of Lodi on campus with faculty members and staff coming together to mark the occasion and strengthen community bonds.
Faculty members and staff at Shulni University gathered on campus to celebrate the festival of Lodi, making the Harvest Festival through traditional observances. Faculty members and staff at Shulni University participated in Lodi celebration held on campus, marking the Harvest Festival through traditional observances. A traditional Lodi bonfire was lit during the event, bringing members of university community together to observe the cultural significance of the festival. Chancellor P.K. Khosla and his wife Saroj Khosla were present at the celebration and interacted with faculty members and staff on the occasion. The Chancellor conveyed his wishes for the well-being and success of the university community. Ashish Khosla, Director of Online and Distance Learning, and Avni Khosla, Director of Placement, also participated in the celebrations. Lodi celebration highlighted the spirit of unity and culture harmony among the academic and administrative community at Shulni University.
That wraps up this segment on the Lodi celebration at the university. And before we finish up, let's head over to RJ Suhani with this week's Radio Shulini segment.
Hi guys, I hope you are doing good. I'm Suhani and I'll be briefing you about the shows that you can enjoy on Radio Shulni. Ishq Wala Love by RJ Pushp, Healthy Batein by RJ Arzu, Fake Matiyar by RJ Rohit. So don't forget to tune in to Radio Shulni, Awaaz Wadiyon Ki.
And that brings us to the end of this week's edition. Thank you for joining us for the 296th Shulini TV Weekly News Bulletin. We'll be back next week with more inspiring stories and updates from campus. Till then, stay safe, stay inspired, and namaskar.